Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I do have another unboxing for you today. This bag I'm really excited about because I had not seen it anywhere, and then it came up on probably my Instagram or my Facebook feed. I don't remember which one. And I mean, I was like, shop now, add to cart, boom, because based on the bag, the price, everything, I was just like, how have I not seen this before? And I don't know that I've seen anybody show it on YouTube. That's not to say somebody hasn't, just I haven't seen anybody that I watch show it. But before I do that, I just wanted to show this neat little postcard I got. I just thought it was really cool. Rachel from Bag Babes Coterie knows I like postcards, and she found this vintage Detroit card in an antique mall, so she sent it to me. And then it even has the stamping for the 250th year on it, which was really cool too. So thanks, Rachel. I did thank her already, but thank her again. That's so cool, and I love postcards. So, all right, this is how the box came. Like I said, this is from Coach. And so it looks like when you order from the Coach website, at least, stuff looks to be packaged pretty nicely. Again, I didn't open it yet, just to show you how it arrived. My address and stuff is all on this other side, so I'm going to avoid that if at all possible here. Did I open that all the way? Not sure. It's taped really, really well, so either it was taped that way when it left Coach, or if they opened it at the shipping facility, which it shipped FedEx, they closed it up nicely. So let's see. I'm trying to figure out where it opens. Okay, it must open right here. Okay. Alright, so gonna get these undone here. Hope you guys are having a good Saturday. It's Saturday, the day that I'm putting this up, the day that I'm filming it. But okay. So here we go. Okay. Apparently wherever I hit on this side wasn't the right spot. There we go. Okay, so it's one of those boxes that slide in like that. Or out like that. Okay. The package, nice. It's got the Coach Creed there. Or Coach Creed, and then it's nicely packaged here with a little Coach symbol, which I kind of want to keep. Okay, good. It's not stuck under there, so okay, I can't let you see it completely now though. So it's packaged nice. It's all factory sealed, and then there's also the super nice cushion, pillowy cushions. Really nice receipt. It's like crazy because for the price of this bag and stuff, this is just nice. I want to just see here, like, show us the damn bag. I just want to see if this says the price, because I never remember the prices, and you guys a lot of times want to know. Okay, $157.50. So this bag does not break the bank. Came from Coach. It came in that nice box. I pay more for outlet bags that come in that piece of paper, plastic paper. So
plastic paper?
Well, plastic envelopes. Sorry. It's different than plastic paper. But you can kind of see what this says. It's so darn cute. Packaged so nice. So it's canvas. Alright, and I was going to try to see what it's called. You can see the back of it.
We got a mushroom and a strawberry.
Yeah, the
walked
tote,
into a bar.
Little Tote ZZ. Looks like is what it says. But yeah, so you got to see the front. The front is what got me. And you'll be able to see it at some point. It has all the Coach stuff in here. Oh, I can't wait to show you. Even though I'm just I want you to see how big the bag is too. So it comes with this non-removable strap.
Non-removable, non-adjustable.
Yep. Well, you could technically adjust it if you tied a knot in it or whatever, but yeah. So it's all
Why would you
canvas. So there's the back, the side, the other side, and now look at the front. Look at the front.
It's got a pink bear on it.
Yeah. I just think it's so cute.
Is that a gummy bear?
No, but it's got this little Coach tag on it, which I'll probably put it on the other side because I don't really like it blocking the bear. But I just thought it was neat. These are pretty stiff. Here's the interior.
That's what she said.
Stop it. I heard that. And yeah, it's just it's very,
It's rigid.
it's not gushy. I just think it's super cute.
It comes with bag charms on it already, so you don't even have to add any.
Right. I mean, it's just, isn't it cute for 157? I just thought it was okay, nothing's a great deal for any of these places, okay, let's be honest. But I thought it was very nice for what you're getting. This is just really, really thick and nice. And it's just so cute. And this is one where if I wanted to, I could put more stuff on it. Well, obviously hang more stuff, but I could poke through the canvas and do like I did with something else like with this one. And so I just thought it was just super, super fun. Especially for the price. And then, yeah, you get the nice packaging and the nice box and everything else. I just, I'm really pleased. What are you showing?
Just getting a close up.
Oh, okay. I just thought it was really, really unique. And this is really nice and hardy, thick canvas. Kind of like my LL Bean tote that I got from David. The canvas is just really nice and substantial. These are just really thick. They can take a long time to wear in if you want them worn in. And then this is just such a I'm so glad it's not like a guitar strap. It's like the old belts used to be almost. It's just, yeah, it's just nice bang. Damn.
Trying to figure out what the bear did.
Like, what do you mean?
Well, he's being hung.
Why is he being hung?
I don't know. Depends what he did.
Yeah, but it's from his head. So I don't know that it's really being hung.
Around his neck, coming up the back. Yeah.
You're terrible. Don't show you nothing. So I am going to switch this tag to over here.
Can't you just slide it over?
Oh, yeah, see? Look at that. I'm an idiot. You're not. Yeah, that's how it goes, too. The Coach faces out then. Here we go.
Glad I could help.
I
What's that shade of red on your face?
do not have a flair for the obvious. Just, isn't it cute? I just think it's really cute. And it's like the perfect little summer tote bag. And then you can put all kinds of fun charms on it and stuff. Or hang them off. Or earrings like I showed. Or pins. I just think you could really make this bag your own. And it already starts out with just some really fun stuff. The stitching is really nice.
It's a bargain for that price.
I mean, for Coach, yeah. I really like it. I am really, really pleased. So, I just hadn't seen anybody else show this. And when it popped up and that little bear was on there, and I knew it was printed on it and it wasn't a charm, which is all the better because then they're not flopping around on you. Because as much as I like my little charms here, they do kind of bang around a lot. So it's kind of fun to have that. And then if you wanted to, you could just do more on it. So, yeah. Anybody else have this and just haven't shown it yet? Because I just think it's super cute.
Quite the summer bag.
Yeah, so I was just excited to show you guys, and I'm just shocked. It, like I said, $157.50 from Coach, and it comes with a nice envelope with your bill inside, the nice packaging, the nice pillowing.
Macy's should take note.
Right, and it's just like, yeah, it doesn't have a dust bag. It doesn't need one, but it's unlike, right, like the Coach bags, outlet bags that you pay $400 for. They come with a dust bag inside of the bag, inside of the purse bag, and then shipped in a plastic mailer. I'm just like, I don't get it, but I'll take this. I think if you really wanted to give a nice gift for somebody, and you were looking to spend like $200 or less, this is especially if they all come like that, packaged like that, that would really be a treat. That was really nice packaging. A really nice bag, a really nice price, comparatively speaking, and just the whole experience was just super, super nice.
And then you get a nice, fun summer tote.
You do, and you could even for this price kick in a extra charm on it if you wanted to. I mean, like,
There's no
with
need.
but it's so cute like it is, right?
And you don't have the charms dangling off like those guys.
Right. Yeah, because sometimes those are hard. Although this makes me want to throw charms on here, but I don't know if I will, because it's just kind of, I think
Kind of unique the way it is.
I think I'd be more apt to put like a couple of earrings in or something with something cute on them that I like I did on, like up here, where I put the boys' initials.
Mm-hmm.
Just something little like that, that, you know, could fill in a couple of the gaps if I wanted to. I really like it. I really like it. So if you guys have it, you'll have to tell me. Have you seen it before? Oh, I should show. There's no feet, so this is going to get dirty.
It's pretty rigid, but
yeah. I mean, it's going to get dirty, but I don't know anybody who buys a bag based on what the bottom necessarily looks like or is going to look like. I mean...
Well, that's a working tote.
We talk about liking feet and stuff like that, and feet can be nice too, but, I mean, at the end of the day... I don't know how many times you're looking at your bag like that. Like, this was a good bag. It was, but you see, I don't know now. I just don't feel the same about, no one says that. So, I'm trying to think if I have any bags that have anything on the bottom, but I don't think that I do. So, anyways, let me know what you think. Are there any other Coach bags that I've been sleeping on, didn't know existed? Anything like that, I'd love to hear that. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos in regards to contemporary and luxury handbags and small leather goods on Wednesdays and Saturdays, or anything else that is my jam, like showing the postcard from Rachel. On Monday nights, I do a bag swap video where I swap from my current bag into my next bag, give a little bit of information about both, and I also switch out all my small leather goods. Occasionally, you'll see a video come up for me on a Thursday where I'll do a big book haul, and then I'll talk about what I'm reading, what I want to read, what I've been reading, something to do with reading. I have a huge book pile again, so, and I have a bunch of books coming, so I probably should do another one of those soon. If you haven't followed me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. I've been trying to post there a little more frequently, trying to get a picture out each week of my bag of the week out there. Just because some people have talked about mod shots and stuff like that. I don't necessarily like getting up and doing that. Not like it matters, but my jam is to kind of sit and talk about the stuff here. So those, at least you can kind of get an idea of what the bags look like on me. And I think that's everything for today. So I'm going to end it with, please do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.